A Chinese motorhome pulls into a campsite, stops, and then transforms. A second floor rises, glass walls extend from the roof, a balcony unfolds, and someone casually rides an elevator down to the ground. This isn't science fiction, it's a real vehicle. It drives on public roads and costs less than half the price of some of the other motorhomes on this list. But here's the surprising part. As incredible as that Chinese motorhome is, it still had to earn the #1 spot. The competition includes a motorhome that turns into a boat the moment it enters the water, another with a hydraulic garage that stores a Bugatti, one designed by the same studio behind Ferrari, and even one with a certified rooftop helipad where a real helicopter can land. 9 motorhomes. 9 different answers to one question. How far can you push the idea of what a vehicle can be? Before we begin, if you enjoy videos like this, hit the like button. These videos take a huge amount of research and effort, and every like helps them reach more people who enjoy this kind of content. Subscribe too, so you never miss what's coming next. Some of these vehicles will completely redefine luxury, while others will leave you wondering how anyone even thought of the idea. By the time we reach #1, you'll see why one country has changed the future of the entire industry. Let's get started. Romatau T8, the rotating cabin. New Zealand is famous for its breathtaking scenery, towering mountains, endless fjords, and untouched beaches. When a New Zealand architecture firm spent 11 years creating a motorhome, comfort wasn't the only goal. They wanted something worthy of the landscapes it would explore. The Romatau T8 doesn't look like a traditional motorhome while it's moving. It resembles a sleek, aerodynamic pod being towed along the road. Smooth, compact, and almost futuristic. But once it stops, the magic begins. In less than a minute, the entire inner cabin rotates 90 degrees outward. Not just a wall or a window, the entire living space turns. The closed pod becomes an L-shaped home complete with a covered outdoor terrace, folding table, synthetic wood flooring, and side panels that block the wind. Inside, 270-degree curved windows surround the cabin, making you feel like you're part of the landscape instead of simply parked beside it. The interior follows a clean Scandinavian design with minimalism at its core. According to its creators, the vehicle is built to last more than 50 years and be passed down through generations. Starting at $268,500, it isn't just a motorhome, it's an heirloom on wheels. As impressive as the Romatau is, the next vehicle does something no rotating cabin ever could. It drives straight into a lake. Terra Wind by Cami, the motorhome that becomes a boat. John Gilgem never studied engineering in college. Growing up in South Carolina, he learned by repairing tractors. Years later, he created something no one else had, a fully functional motorhome that also works as a real boat. The Terra Wind measures 13 meters long and weighs 16 tons. Hidden beneath its luxury body is a military-grade aluminum hull built into the chassis. When it reaches a lake or river, the driver simply engages the marine transmission, sending power from the 330-horsepower Caterpillar engine to 2 bronze propellers at the rear. Moments later, it's cruising across the water at 7 knots. Inside, it feels more like a luxury yacht than an RV. Marble floors, teak cabinetry, and an 8-jet jacuzzi let you relax while looking out over the water. It's the kind of interior you'd expect on a vessel built for the sea, not one that drove itself to the shoreline. Priced between $850,000 and $1.2 million, the Terra Wind removes the need to choose between a road trip and a boating adventure. Now we leave the water behind and look toward the sky. Furrion Elysium, the one with the helipad. In 2004, 3 engineers with backgrounds in building megayachts wondered what would happen if they designed a motorhome with the same ambition as a 100-foot yacht. Their answer was Furrion. 13 years later, they introduced the Elysium. This 45-foot luxury motorhome features a fully certified rooftop helipad, not just a decorative platform, but a real landing pad designed for a Robinson R-22 helicopter. The rooftop is divided into 3 sections, a lounge area, a 2-person hot tub, and the retractable helipad, which folds away neatly when not in use. Inside, The yacht-inspired luxury continues with three 75-inch 4K TVs, a fireplace, a wine cellar, and a steam shower. It's more luxurious than many five-star hotel suites. The Elysium was never officially offered for sale. Experts estimate its value between $2.5 and $3.5 million. It exists as a showcase of what's possible when engineers stop asking whether something is practical and start asking whether it's possible. The answer was yes. But the next company took that same mindset and created something even more dramatic. Anderson Mobile Estates, Hollywood's home on 22 wheels. It all started with a phone call from Sylvester Stallone. After seeing what Anderson Mobile Estates could build, he recommended them to Will Smith while he was filming Men in Black 3. Will Smith took the advice and spent $2.5 million on a custom trailer known as The Heat. The Heat, Hollywood's mansion on wheels. The Heat rides on 22 wheels. While driving down the highway, it looks like a large luxury trailer. Impressive, but nothing too unusual. Then it parks, and 8 hydraulic pistons lift the entire roof. A full second floor unfolds, turning what looked like a trailer into a 2-story home. The upper level is a private movie theater with seating for 30 people and full cinema equipment. It's the kind of theater you'd expect in an exclusive film club, except this one sits on top of a vehicle parked wherever a movie crew happens to be working. Inside the lower level, over $300,000 worth of custom leather covers nearly every surface. Even the bathroom is extraordinary. It costs $25,000 and features a glass door that becomes completely opaque with the press of a button, instantly providing full privacy. Will Smith lived in the Heat while filming both Men in Black 3 and The Pursuit of Happiness. Today, you can rent it in Elgin, Texas for around $9,000 per night. From a Hollywood legend with a pop-up theater, we move to motorhomes built for people who refuse to leave their supercars behind. Marchi Mobile, Element, Palazzo Superior. The Marchi Mobile, Element Palazzo Superior is a $3 million masterpiece. When it appears on the highway, it barely looks like a motorhome. Its circular windshield is inspired by helicopter cockpits, while its 36-inch wheel covers come from race car engineering. Every line of its design feels like it was created without following any traditional rules. The Austrian company combined ideas from motorsports, aviation, and luxury yachts to create something completely unique. Every unit is handcrafted for a single customer, taking 8 to 10 months to complete. There is no production line. Its most impressive feature is the Sky Lounge. At the push of a button, a fully enclosed rooftop terrace rises into place with built-in furniture, enclosed walls, and radiant heated flooring. A complete living space appears above the vehicle in seconds. The master bedroom features a king-size bed made by Hypnos, the same company that supplies beds to the British royal family. The same level of comfort found in Buckingham Palace can now be found inside a motorhome parked in the countryside. Priced at $3 million and built one at a time, the Palazzo Superior is one of the most exclusive motorhomes ever made, but it's still not the most extraordinary on this list. Volkner Mobile Performance S, the motorhome with a Bugatti inside. Some people face a very unusual problem. They own a Bugatti Chiron and want to travel long distances without leaving it exposed at campsites. German manufacturer Volkner solved that problem in spectacular fashion. The Performance S features a hydraulic garage built directly into the side of the motorhome. A platform slides out, revealing enough space for a full-size supercar. A Bugatti Chiron fits. A Porsche 911 fits. Even a Ferrari 458 fits. Your car stays protected inside the motorhome until you arrive. Once the car is unloaded, the same platform transforms into an outdoor terrace. Relax, enjoy the scenery, and when it's time to leave, simply drive the car back inside before the platform retracts. The luxury continues inside with a $55,000 Burmester sound system and handcrafted Macassa wood furniture, the same premium material used in private jets and luxury yachts. Nothing inside was selected because it was affordable. Every detail represents the highest level of quality. Including the Bugatti, the complete setup is worth around $7.7 million. In this motorhome, The garage is worth more than the living space, and somehow that makes perfect sense. From carrying a supercar, we now move to a motorhome created by one of the world's most famous automotive design studios. SAIC Future ET by Pininfarina is the legendary design house behind the Ferrari 458 Italia and the Maserati Gran Turismo. Whenever the company takes on a project, the automotive world pays attention because its designs often redefine what's possible. In 2024, Pininfarina introduced the SAIC Future ET, a fully electric motorhome with no combustion engine, no exhaust, and almost no noise. While driving, all you hear is the quiet hum of the electric motors. Once parked, expandable walls slide out silently, blending into the peaceful surroundings. With the walls fully extended, the living space grows to 37 square meters, the size of a small apartment in Paris or Milan. Instead of feeling like a cramped RV, it offers the comfort of a real home on wheels. Its most groundbreaking feature is the water system. The SAIC Future ET pulls moisture directly from the air and converts it into clean drinking water, producing up to 50 liters every day. Park it in the middle of the desert, let the system run overnight, and wake up with enough fresh water for drinking, cooking, and washing. No hookups, no external supply, and no need to refill water tanks. The air around you becomes your water source. The stationary version starts at $98,000, while the drivable model was scheduled for production in 2025. A zero-emission motorhome designed by Ferrari's famous design studio that creates its own drinking water from the air would easily top most lists. But two even more remarkable vehicles are still ahead, and they represent something bigger than a single company's vision. Deathlefts RV Carbonic Liner 78. Carbon fiber at an unexpected price. In August 2023, a team of engineers from China's Sichuan province made a bold move that didn't receive much global attention, but left a lasting impression on everyone who saw it. Instead of flying to Düsseldorf, Germany, they drove 3 motorhomes over 13,200 kilometers. That journey alone made a statement. They were heading to Caravan Salon, the world's biggest and most important motorhome exhibition, where Europe's leading manufacturers gather to showcase their latest innovations. Into that event arrived a team from Sichuan, with motorhomes they had built themselves. A year later, they returned with the Carbonic Liner 78. Its entire body is made from carbon fiber, not just decorative trim or exterior accents. The complete structure uses the same lightweight material found in Formula One race cars and military fighter jets, yet it's offered in a production motorhome priced above $150,000. At that price, no other manufacturer offers a full carbon fiber body. It's lighter than traditional materials, stronger under pressure, and far more resistant to long-term wear. The Carbonic Liner 78 measures 7.84 meters long and features 2 slide-out sections that expand the interior after parking. Automatic hydraulic stabilizers level the vehicle on uneven ground, while a 1,000-watt solar system powers everything inside. The cabin includes heated floors, a rain shower, and a self-cleaning ceramic toilet system. Driving more than 13,000 kilometers to stand beside Europe's biggest brands and say, "We're here to compete," changed how many people viewed China's motorhome industry. The Carbonic Liner earned attention, not only for its technology, but for the confidence behind it. That confidence reaches its highest point with our number 1. SAIC, Maxus Life Home, V90 Villa Edition. The rolling skyscraper SAIC is China's largest automaker. When it entered the luxury motorhome market, it didn't try to copy European designs. Instead, it asked a completely different question. What if a motorhome were designed like a building instead of a vehicle? The answer is the Maxus Life Home V90 Villa Edition. It earns the top spot not because of one incredible feature, but because of everything it combines into one vehicle. While driving, it looks like a premium motorhome with clean lines and elegant proportions. Nothing on the outside hints at what's about to happen. Once parked, the transformation begins. Hydraulic side extensions slide out first, expanding the lower floor to 20 square meters. That's already a spacious living area for a vehicle. It features heated floors, smart climate control, and premium finishes throughout. Then the roof rises. The entire upper section lifts hydraulically to reveal a true second floor. This isn't just extra headroom or a loft bed, it's a complete upper level surrounded by tempered glass walls, offering uninterrupted panoramic views. There's even a walkout balcony where you can step outside and enjoy views of mountains, forests, coastlines, or wherever you've parked. The glass walls use transparent OLED technology. When switched off, they're perfectly clear windows. Turn them on, and the glass itself becomes a giant television. There are no mounted screens or bulky displays. The walls are the entertainment system. The same glass you watch the sunrise through in the morning becomes your movie screen at night. Then comes the feature that surprises everyone: a real elevator. Not folding stairs or a ladder, but a fully functional single-person elevator connecting both floors. It runs quietly, works with the push of a button, and remains the only production motorhome in the world with this feature. No European company built it. No American company built it. SAIC did. And the price is around $413,000 in China. For comparison, the Marchi Mobile costs about $3 million, while the Vulcaner with the Bugatti reaches roughly $7.7 million. The V90 Villa Edition, with its second floor, OLED glass walls, balcony, and working elevator, costs just $413,000. That's less than half the price of the Marchi Mobile, and only a fraction of the Vulcaner. More importantly, it didn't just win a competition of features, it changed the way designers think. Before the V90, engineers asked how to make a single-story motorhome feel more like a house. After the V90, the question became, how many floors can we build? What else can the walls do? Where can an elevator fit? That's what makes this the #1 motorhome on the list. Not simply because it's the best, but because it changed what everyone else now has to imagine. 9 incredible motorhomes. A rotating cabin from New Zealand built to last generations. A South Carolina mechanic who created a motorhome that turns into a boat. A Hollywood mansion on 22 wheels with a pop-up movie theater. A German motorhome with a built-in garage for a Bugatti. A fully electric motorhome designed by Ferrari's legendary design studio that creates drinking water from the air. Chinese engineers driving over 13,000 kilometers just to prove they could compete. And at the top of the list, a 2-story motorhome with glass walls, a walkout balcony, and a fully working elevator. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss our next one. Now it's your turn. If you could choose any one of these 9 motorhomes today, which would you pick and where would your first trip be? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Please subscribe to the Timefold channel and don't forget to leave a like.